In front of me is Honor V20 and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all you have to open the settings, then find and select security and go to more settings. Now click on encryption and credentials and obviously select set SIM1, SIM2 lock. And now let me change SIM PIN, and at first you have to enter the old one, tap on OK, and now it's time to provide your device with a new one. Tap on OK and then re-enter new PIN just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed, so that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.